I tell you what, when I do these thumbnails, I really feel like a roller coaster of emotions. Anyways, hi friends. Welcome to the Boxy versus Boxy PR versus paid edition, where I have tried everything out throughout the month, or a majority of the items, and I can give you all a little review, let y'all know, was it worth it PR, was it better than the paid, and vice versa, all of that. I got a rogue hair doing its own thing. Anyways, welcome to the channel where we embrace the hot mess, because, fun fact, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. Anyways, shout out to Built Bar. I don't know if y'all saw the Black Friday 10 that they had available, y'all, but they may not even have it available anymore, but I at least want to show you all the bars in here. No, this video is not sponsored. I just really truly enjoy them, and I'm hungry, and so I'm gonna be snacking on my Built Bars because it's got a ton of protein. So anyways, the one that I have been nagging, whining, and carrying on about how good it is the white peppermint, or white chocolate peppermint. It has chunks of granola in here. And then the other really yummy one that they have available is the candy cane brownie, and then they're coming out, if it's not already out by the time this video goes up, it's a puff brownie bar. Chocolate, it is so good. So this was special edition. This was their maple donut that was only in this tin. I'm really hoping that if they've sold out of the tin, that they're gonna have the maple donut available. It is so good. So I had it sitting back here to show y'all, remind you all, stock up on your Built Bar, because you know what's gonna happen. Everybody's gonna try and be healthy come January 1, and it's gonna be hard to get your flavors of Built Bar. So code HOTMESS is gonna save you 10% over at Built Bar. Thank you all if you do use it, because y'all know if I can make an affiliate code, your girl's gonna do that. So I definitely appreciate y'all using that. So let's go ahead and talk about our Boxycharm base boxes. I don't even know the price anymore. I think I pay with tax like $32. You do get to customize one item in the box. So let's go ahead and start off with my paid for box. The only reason I know that is the PR. Wow, okay. The PR came in like a larger size than this one, and y'all will see why. So this is my paid for box. I did go ahead and I picked this month, which was for November, the item Beauty. This is in my Element palette, and I have been playing around with it. This is what it looks like. Now, one of mine did come broken, so I have to be really careful when I show you all, but darn it, I have to be really careful. Proceeds to spill it. Anyways, and that's what it looks like, and I just got it on my floor. It's not on my rug, so that's good. So this palette, I told you all in the beginning when this was a choice, I wasn't very excited over it because of the literal orangey tones in here. I don't know why, but when I actually shut my pothole and started playing around with it, I actually really liked the formula. I thought the formula was really nice. It lasted all day. The only issue I had was with this one right here, because it came broken, but other than that, I really liked it. I will say though, I didn't feel like this particular shade lasted on my lids as long as I would have liked it to without using a primer. Now, when I had a primer on with it, which I guess is kind of the norm, when I had a primer on, I definitely noticed it lasted much longer. But like, for example, majority of the time when I just apply my cream makeup, my SEINT makeup, and I get it on my lids, if I don't feel like putting my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base Primer on, I don't, and my makeup still lasts. Like, my eye makeup will last. And I love using the Tinseltown little trio from OFRA Cosmetics. I love those. I have them on today, as well as a Wonder Beauty topper, and it lasts. It doesn't not last, and that was the only thing I noticed with this palette. So I really liked the mattes in there. It was literally that only one shimmer shade that I had the issue with, but other than that, I actually thought it was a really good palette. I don't really go on prices for you all because I did do a dedicated unboxing on both of these, so this is just more or less everything in the box. Next in here, I did receive the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Again, this is my paid for box. Now, this particular item was in fact a repeated item, only because I had received it in PR when this was like back in the Luxe box. And y'all know how much I love cream products. I love cream products, period. In a discussion. And I loved receiving this. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful, and it wears well all day long, no issues whatsoever. And it's Natasha Denona, so when you can get that in a $30 box, heck yeah. And a lot of you all said we were like box twins for our paid for box, so I'm very excited for you all, because when we get to that PR box. Next in here, this was a new brand to me, the LES Lower East Side Cream Bronzer. And this was in the shade Skyscraper. And I have it on again today. Let's see if I can open it. It's gonna be strong. There we go. I actually really like this. I thought it's super comfortable, it wears well, wasn't crazy sticky. I feel like for me, it just built up beautifully, and it's a cream product. So I love getting a blush, highlighter, and the bronzer in here that were cream products. So definitely very, very excited about this brand. If you didn't receive it, I think it may be coming potentially in the January box. I don't know. Because I've noticed sometimes there are some repeats if you haven't received something in the past. But then again, you all are telling me you're getting repeats on the same account. So that stinks, and I'm not happy to hear that either. Next in here, we have the Real Her Metallic Eyeliner Duo. This came in 2 different shades, and I really, really liked these. These were like your gel-based type of eyeliner, which had me really excited. They were in like a midnight blue and then a bronzy chocolatey shade. I don't know, my camera's 150, just joking, it's only like 4 years old, and she's struggling. It's hard to focus, but I get it. So anyways, I really like these as well. There was no tugging on my lids. I thought they were really pretty, and I was so happy to get colors that were different than your typical usual black. So for that, I was very excited. And like I told you all, they had definitely changed their formula, because I had actually received PR from Real Her in the past, and I didn't use the liners and show you all because they were really tuggy, and I just can't get down with that because that hurts. So anywho, last in here we had the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. This was an item that we had seen in our October premium, I believe, and then it trickled down to the base box. I love this. I have that on today mixed with my Gerard Cosmetics Bel Air lip liner and my truffle lip gloss. This is so juicy, it's so hydrating, it's so comfortable. It's in the shade Rose, and I absolutely love it. And Haley is here, so they're doing hair today. But that was my paid for box, which I thought personally was absolutely amazing. I got another hair. I thought my paid for box knocked it out of the park. Had me super, super excited. Let's go ahead, let me go unlock the front door, and then I will jump into my PR box. Okay, false alarm, they're not here just yet. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about my PR box. Can I tell you all, okay, so this is gonna sound awful, and I'm sure I'm gonna hear about it in the comment section. Listen, I am beyond grateful to receive PR. And I'm very grateful to hear that in my dedicated video, nobody seemed to get this particular box. Okay, so that probably just gives away right here who won. So the first item in here, now this I absolutely love, and I have been using it every day. I have it on today as well with the cream bronzer from my paid for box. But this was a choice, and this was the OFRA Cosmetics Midi Palette. And you guys can see, I mean, your girl's gone ham sandwich with it. And I love the OFRA Cosmetics formula. And in all honesty, I'm gonna say this was probably the best thing in this box. So I have the contour, the bronzer, and the highlighter on today. It is just a staple type of a palette in my opinion. I mean, you can use this on your face, your eyes, what have you. It is just absolutely amazing, and that was the choice. And then next in here was something I swear was probably from the first ever Boxy Luxe box that trickled down to the base box. And I will say though, this is the mini heat brush in apricot, and a lot of you all in my comment section did say that you had received this years ago as well, and you use it often and you actually really like it, even having longer hair. Now the only reason that this will be in a future giveaway is because I have the FHI blowout brush and I flippin' love it. That was sent to me forever ago, and when I wear my hair straight I just use that brush, and there's no reason for me to have two of them. So anyways, with that said, you'll see it in a future giveaway, which I did pick a winner for our last giveaway. I want to say her name was Leorna. I could be wrong on that, but she's from was she from Colorado? I think she's from Colorado. My brain just like went crazy. Leona. I think her name was Leona from Colorado. So congratulations to you. Actually, by the time this video goes up, I think it was like a 3-day shipping. So you may be receiving it today, or you may have already received it. I don't know. Depends on whenever I can get this video uploaded to y'all. Anyways, next in here, we had the Lipstick Fruit Lip Oil by Sophia and Mabel, and I did like this. It was a good filler product, no issues as far as that went, but you know, she's cute. Next in here, we had our Bella and Argent. This was a clear brow gel, which I told you all I would just be gifting as well. I have a lot of, you know, fakeness on my brows. I use the Gerard Cosmetics brow pencil. It's literally like $2 or $3. Code hotmess10 will save you 10% at Gerard Cosmetics. Then I go in with my OFRA Cosmetics Don't Play Brow Gel, because I like to get that full look to my brows and kind of spike them up. And then I go in with my Blink Brow Mousse. That stuff is amazing. Highly recommend. It's in the shade Taupe. It's waterproof, and it complements the Don't Play Brow Gel so flippin' much. It's insane. So anyways, that was the next item in here. And then we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Amania, I think, lip scrub. She's really cute. Like, I'll be honest with y'all, she's cute. She's very comfortable to use. I really did like the fact that it tastes as amazing as it smells. It's definitely natural sugar, and I would say these were probably the 2 awesome items in the box, but it fell short for me, to be honest. It just was not something that, if I'd received that as my paid for box, y'all would have heard it. That's all. I mean, so without flying colors, I think is maybe not the analogy, I don't know, but my paid for box knocked it out of the ballpark. I loved everything in this box. Everything was perfection. Yes, I had the Natasha Denona repeat in there, but like I told you all, that was only because I'd received it in PR. So the paid for box for November, in my opinion, was absolutely amazing. And let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Don't forget that December 12th is when we're gonna open or December 12th is when our accounts are open to make our choices for January. Whew, so crazy. So stay tuned for that. I will have some sneak peek spoilers, speculation, not confirmation videos for you all. But definitely let me know how your November box held up. Did you feel like it was a PR? Or a paid? That made no sense, but I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. All right, one of y'all just sent a form over for me to color match you all, so I will be getting back to y'all on that. If you are curious about my makeup or anything like that, check my description box down below. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you do, and I appreciate you all. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for plus size curvy girl fashion hauls, Hotmess in the kitchen for some kitchen action, which I don't think a video's up yet, but it will be soon. And of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends. I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But the
Christmas is my favorite holiday. It's a chance